Hello everyone, and welcome to my Mastery Journey presentation. I'm Angela Morrow, your guide as I transition from military service to the realm of creativity. In this presentation, I'll share my overarching career vision, my post-graduation goal, and the step-by-step plan I've developed to get there. You'll see how my experiences and passions shape this journey from military life to creative director. This journey isn't just a career change, it's a profound return to my creative roots. As Robert Greene more appropriately mentions in his book Mastery, it is pursuit of the source of a profound inclination that empowers me to withstand the pain of the process in embracing my calling. I'm here to outline my vision for leading with creativity and resilience, demonstrating how my unique blend of military discipline and artistic passion will shape my future life of dignity and meaning beyond the uniform. My ultimate career aspiration is to become a creative director at a top-tier organization like Disney, W+K, or T-Mobile, a role that represents the pinnacle of creative leadership and marries imaginative storytelling with leadership. This dream stems from a childhood love for art, but creative directors are not just artists, they are also strategic leaders. I envision myself leading teams to explore bold ideas and empowering them to make their lives extraordinary through creativity. Ultimately, becoming a creative director isn't about a fancy title for me, it's about leading with vision and heart. I want to craft the kind of brand stories that forge emotional connections, the kind Disney is famous for. Achieving this goal means aiming high. It's ambitious, especially as a career changer, but it's also attainable. For example, Gabriella Khalil spoke of a career fork where following her love of design led her into a creative director role. Her story reaffirms that by staying true to our passions, we can redefine our professional trajectory. My journey's purpose is focusing on crafting brand stories that forge emotional connections to establish trust and loyalty. As a creative director, I aspire to foster magical storytelling and innovation, bringing people together through creativity. This long-term goal is the compass guiding all my efforts. My immediate goal post-graduation is to secure a marketing manager position with Army MWR at Fort Jackson within 1 month. This is a smart goal, and a practical step towards my creative director dream. Why Fort Jackson MWR? As a veteran, I understand the Army community, and this position lets me apply my full-sail marketing and design training to serve a community I resonate with. It seamlessly connects my past experiences with my future ambitions, as I will be developing campaigns for a major installation while honing the skills necessary to achieve my goal of working for Disney. I'm aiming to secure this role within 1 month of graduating. Achieving it will not only be personally meaningful by continuing to support fellow soldiers and families through creative outreach, but also strategically smart. It aligns my career aspirations with my passion for creative marketing, a combination deemed essential in the book Design Thinking for a fulfilling and meaningful life. This role is my gateway to launching a civilian creative career, equipping me with the experience and portfolio needed to ultimately reach Disney's doorstep. To achieve my goals with exceptional impact, I have meticulously broken them down into concrete steps on a 12-month timeline. The first 4 steps on that journey focus on building a strong foundation and capitalizing on momentum. This is the initial phase of my journey. I will immediately refine my portfolio and personal brand. As stated in Design Thinking, building a personal brand is an essential aspect of personal advocacy for career success. I will curate an impressive portfolio showcasing my design and marketing projects. By leveraging my work from Full Sail, I will create a digital gallery under the brand name Devi Air Designs. This visually appealing portfolio will serve as an essential tool for captivating potential employers at first glance. Throughout months 1 to 3, I'll engage in an intensive networking blitz, leveraging my military leadership to proactively reach out to contacts, understanding that, as Scarrett explained, creative leaders are best placed to start and continue a conversation. I will immerse myself in the expansive LinkedIn network, actively seeking connections with marketing professionals and creative directors. My objective is to gain insights from their experiences and potentially secure a mentor, as insider knowledge can be invaluable. During month 4, I plan to join the AIGA and AMA associations. These organizations will provide access to the latest industry trends and networking opportunities. Engaging with fellow creatives will enhance my professional growth and expand my connections. In the 5th month after I graduate, I plan to fully embrace my role as a leader in a full-scale rebranding campaign for the MWR on Fort Jackson. The idea is to practice leading a creative process, coordinating tasks, guiding a vision, and delivering results. Each of these first 4 steps builds a strong foundation of skills and connections that will propel me forward. The second half of my first year after graduating is about growth and setting the stage for long-term success. I will measure project impact using KPIs, showcasing that I can analyze campaign outcomes for insights and impact. During the course measuring design effectiveness, I will have learned how important it is to back our creative ideas with data. With proven results and growing confidence, I will seek to broaden my role. Around months 9 and 10, I anticipate either asking for or being given additional responsibilities. This is where I lean into the leadership skills I've cultivated in the Mastery, Personal Development and Leadership course. Every extra responsibility I take is one of those steps toward the creative leadership I aspire to. By month 11, I'll turn some attention outward to the industry at large. I plan to publish a case study or an article about something I've worked on or learned during the year, perhaps on LinkedIn or a design blog. Additionally, I'll attend at least one industry event, maybe a regional design conference or a virtual summit. By the end of month 11, I want people in the creative field to start recognizing my name. Finally, as I round out the first year, I'll take stock and chart the course ahead. I will conduct a personal SWOT analysis of my career at this point. My blend of military leadership, marketing acumen, and design creativity is not something every creative professional has, and it gives me a distinct advantage. Year 1 is just the beginning, but with each deliberate step this year, I'm much closer to that creative director horizon. Achieving my goals is a collaborative endeavor, requiring a robust network. I will immerse myself in professional associations relevant to my field. AIGA, American Institute of Graphic Arts, will be pivotal for staying connected to the design community. Similarly, the AMA, American Marketing Association, will keep me plugged into the latest in marketing strategy. Additionally, I have a built-in community through my fellow veterans. By engaging with veterans in media and entertainment, VME, I'll find peers who have also transitioned from the military to creative careers. Mike Byrne mentioned that great creative leaders surround themselves with a diverse mix of people, inventors, entrepreneurs, comedians, filmmakers, and dreamers. I'll expand my personal learning network beyond by aiming beyond formal organizations. I'll build a personal board of advisors by connecting with notable creatives and companies that inspire me. This means following creative directors at companies like Disney and T-Mobile on LinkedIn and engaging with their content. Lastly, I'll remain deeply connected to the Full Sail community, attending alumni events like Hall of Fame Week and embracing opportunities to mentor, recognizing that giving back is a powerful way to solidify knowledge and stay connected to fresh talent. I also plan to keep in touch with my instructors and career advisors. They know my work and ambition, so they can keep me in mind for opportunities. In closing, my mastery journey is a story of aligning who I am with what I do, transforming my creative spark into a flame. I have cultivated the resilience of a soldier and the imagination of an artist, ready to bounce forward from any challenge and embrace continuous growth. My mission extends beyond personal achievement. I aspire to be a creative leader who truly makes an impact, fostering conversation and truth in every campaign and bridging communities through empathy and design. Each step of my mastery journey serves as a catalyst for growth, from honing my networking skills to immersing myself in the industry. I will step out of this graduate program armed with a clear vision, a robust plan, and an unstoppable drive. As I do so, I recall one more piece of advice from Gabriella Khalil. Stop wasting time with self-doubt or self-limiting beliefs. In that spirit, I conclude this presentation with confidence in the path I've laid out. The story is just beginning, and I'm excited to write the next chapter, a chapter of creative impact, leadership, and continuous growth. Thank you for being part of this journey, and I look forward to what comes next with optimism and determination. These references provided invaluable insights into personal development, creative leadership, and effective career planning, grounding my mastery journey in research principles and real-world examples. They shaped my understanding of the keys to success and offered frameworks